Here are 3 ways you can help support your digestion from home. 1 is waking up to some warm hydration. So waking up to drink some warm water with maybe a little bit of lemon. This will help wake up your digestive system in a gentle way. 2nd is practicing mindful eating. So really chewing slowly, thoroughly, enjoying the moment, enjoying your food, limiting any screen time, and just checking in with yourself. If you're feeling really stressed out, in a hurry, try to slow down a bit, and that alone will help with the bloating and reflux. 3rd is walking for 10 to 15 minutes after a meal. And so this will also help with the digestion and bloating. It'll also help with maintaining your blood sugar.